So in this video, I want to show you how you can withdraw from impact.com. So let's say you're an affiliate on Impact and you want to withdraw, or you want to add an account number you want to withdraw to your bank. This video is going to show you how to do it. So I'm inside one of my Impact accounts, and if you've earned some money, Impact is going to ask you to do like a verification and to fill your tax information. I also have videos that cover all of that already, so you can check them out on the channel. So once you come here, you click on where your balance is here. So you click on balance here. So once you click on your balance, you are going to see all of your transactions in the last few months. You can see that right here I was paid to the bank, and I was paid just $14, and these are the brands, all right, that paid me that money. All right, so you can see here where it says add bank account settings. So you click on bank account settings and you will come to an interface like this. So this is where you can either change the bank account that you already have or to add a new payment method. So be advised that payment will be paused 48 hours as a safety measure when you update your account. This means that if you change your account, you cannot withdraw until after 48 hours. This is for security reasons. So here, this is a payment method. So electronic fund transfer simply means bank transfer. So you can come here, click on the country where your bank is resided. If you are using a Nigerian bank, you search for Nigeria. If you want to receive in your currency, you set in your currency. This is the withdrawal fee. Because this bank is in the USA, the withdrawal fee is free. If it were to be in Nigeria, I will be paying around $12 withdrawal fee. So after that, you put your account name, the account type, the account number, the routing. If you are in Nigeria, you can use Gray for this. You can use GigPay for this. They are going to provide all these things for you. If you want me to create a video on how to create a dollar account in Nigeria, then you can just tell me to do that in the comment section. So if you wanted to use PayPal, you can just toggle PayPal and provide your PayPal email. So right here, you set how you want to be paid. Me, I want them to pay me when I reach a certain threshold, which is $10. You can select any amount that you want here. Or if you want them to pay you at a specific day of the month, regardless of how much you have, you can just select this and they will pay you that day of the month. So once you've selected all that, you click on save, and then this is how you can basically withdraw to your bank. But you also have to understand that you don't get paid immediately until the brands, until the duration by the brands that you've affiliated for exceeds. So the brands have to pay, and then Impact will pay you. So this is basically how you withdraw money to your bank on impact.com. I hope this video was helpful. Like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.